Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing source code of an e-commerce website. So now if you are looking for an e-commerce website for your store or your business, so this website will be best for you. So you don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. This website has an admin panel from where you can update products and completely control the website. So this is the best website for your e-commerce business. So viewers, in this video I will give you the complete demo of this website, how it works, how we can control this website, how user can make payments, and in this website you will get 30 plus automatic payment gateways that are worldwide accepted. Using those gateways you can accept payment from any country of the world, and you can create your own local gateway as well. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and I will completely guide you about this website and give you the demo of this website. And if you want to buy the script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can buy the script from us. And if you need the complete end-to-end website, just contact us and we will build this complete site for you. So now let's start this video without wasting much more time. But before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you need any type of website, just contact us. We will build this for you. Now, here you can see the amazing look of this website. You can change these banners, whatever you want to change, you can change it from admin panel. So viewers, here you can see different flash deals and different products, and here are different categories of product. So here in sidebar you can see different categories of product: phones, telecoms, computer accessories. So you can use it for any category you want. And here you can see brands, discount products, all vendors, and basically this is a multi-vendor website. Now if you want to use it as single vendor, you can use it as single vendor as well. And here you can see all the featured products. Here are categories of different products, you can view them. These are flash deals, you can see different banners, top sellers. These are some different products. You can see how amazing looking it is, and it's completely mobile responsive, which means that mobile users can easily use this in their mobile as well. So this is the footer section. Here you can download the app of this website. You can view all the details of this website owner. Everything is in front of you, and this is a complete website. And you can also insert live chat of WhatsApp, so user can contact you on WhatsApp as well. So viewers, now if user want to explore some other categories such as phone and telecom or computer, office and security, user can just click on them and open those categories. So here are some other categories, so you can search these categories. Whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. And there is a search bar as well, so user can search any product of his choice. So now you can visit these pages, brands. You can see all the brands that are selling their products on this website. Here is discount products. You can see all vendors. These are, user can become a seller on this website and sell his product on this website. Now here you can change the currency of this website to BDT, Indian rupees, euro, yen, whatever currency you want to use this website in, so user can use it. So you can insert these currencies from admin panel. It's completely simple. I will also give you the overview of its admin panel, so you will see how it's easy to control this website. And you can use it in any language you want. So currently there are 4 languages, but you can insert as many as languages you want. Now viewers, here you can see there is option to sign in and there is option to sign up. Now if you don't have an account, you must have to sign up. Now we already have an account, so I'm directly going to sign in, and I will sign in with my existing account. So I will enter my email. So I'm just using the random details, and let me just enter my email, and so now click on reCAPTCHA, fill the reCAPTCHA, and just click on sign in, and it will log you into your user panel. So we have successfully logged into our user panel of this website. So you can see that this is our user panel, and you can see my name, Script Smasher, over here. So here user can see all its order, user can see its profile, and user can directly log out. Now let's buy some product, and let's see how we can buy any product from this website. Now suppose I want to buy this watch. So just click on it, and here you can see buy now or add to cart option. So you can chat with vendor as well. Here you can see the reviews of products, you can see this, the functionalities of this product, description of this product, live demo, whatever you want to see, you can see it over here, and you can share this as well. So you can order as much as pieces you want to order. Now I want to order 3 pieces, so I can order 3 pieces in bulk, and here I can click on buy now, and so here you can easily buy this product. You have to fill your shipping address. Here you have to give your map location, you have to give your billing address, and by filling all the simple details, here you can also apply coupon codes, and you can see all your amount that you have to pay, and you can proceed to check out, and you can pay using any of the gateway you want. So you have to fill all these characteristics in order to check out. So here you can pay and you can buy this product. So viewers, now let's go back, and this is how you can buy any product from this website. Now viewers, let's go to our admin panel of this website, and I will show you how we can control this website from admin panel, and how we can insert products, how we can insert payment gateways, how we can control user payments from admin panel. So now let's go to admin panel. So I'm going directly to admin panel. So viewers, here you can see that I am on my admin login page of this website, e-commerce website. Now I have already entered my admin email and admin password. Now I will click on this reCAPTCHA, fill the reCAPTCHA, and when I click on sign in, it will log me into my admin panel. So this is the amazing dashboard of this admin panel. And now here viewers, now we have to explore this admin panel. So now let's explore it. So first of all, here you can see your total orders on the website, total store, total products, total customers on the website. Here you can see your pending products, you can see your confirmed products, packaging, each and everything will be in front of you, total earnings, total commission, everything will be in front of you, and you can easily see and control your complete website directly from here. And here you can see all your orders related activities, you can see your all orders by clicking going to orders. So here you can see all your orders, you can see they're paid or not paid, each and everything will be in front of you, you can see it. And here you can see pending orders, confirmed order, packaging, out of delivery, for delivery. Here you can see all refund requests of user. Here you can set up different categories of products. So now I'm going to categories, and here you can create the categories of product from here. So this is how you can create the categories, subcategories, and subcategories. You can create them from here, and you can see all the brands from here, and you can list new brands by going to add new and list of brands. Here you can set up all the product attributes. So this is a POS option, so you can set all the product attributes, size, type, each and everything, you can set it up from here. So here you can set up in-house product, you can see all the product list from here. And now if you want to add a new in-house product, just click on add new product, and by filling these simple details you can add new product on your website. So this is how by filling these details you can add a new product on the website. So it's completely simple and easy to use and easy to add products on your website. It's completely simple. You can also import products in bulk from Excel or any other external source. Here is a vendor product, so you can see all the vendors product right here over here, and you can approve their products and reject them. You can see all the product gallery. Here is banner setup, so you can change the banners on the website homepage. So you can change these banners from here, and if you want to add a new banner, just click on add new banner, and by filling these details you can add a new banner on the website. So here you can upload your coupons, flash deals, deals of the day, feature deals. From here you can give notification to users, or on the website you can announce different announcements from here. You can see inbox, you can see all the messages, you can see the support tickets of users in this option. Here you can see all the sales reports over here, so you can see all your earning reports. So here are all your earning reports, you can see everything right here. You can see in-house sales, vendor sale, transaction report. So here is a product report, so you can see all the report related to products over here. So you can see all your order report. So here is customer list, so you can see all the customers on your website, so you can see each and everything right here. You can see the details of customers over here, and you can delete them as well. So you can see all the details of customer over here. So this is how you can see it. So you can see customer reviews, wallets or wallet bonus setup. You can see loyalty points, and here you can see the list of vendors on your website. You can see withdrawals, you can see withdrawal methods, so you can set up withdrawal methods from here. So you can see Bcash method, Visa card, and if you want to set up new withdrawal method on the website, just click on add new, and by filling these details you can add a new withdrawal method. So similarly, you can add a delivery man to website. You can see all the employees on the website, you can see subscribers of the website. This is a business setup, so you can go to business settings, and here you can completely edit the company name. So you can change the name of website, you can change the phone number on the website, you can change the email, you can change the time zone, country, language, whatever you want to change, address of website, currency, you can change it from here, and you can add new currencies, you can add currency positions, whatever you want to change, you can change these things from here. You can change colors, you can change the logo of website and insert your own logo from here. So you can change logo from here, website favicon, each and everything is changeable. So these are all the payment options. So here you can see a cash on delivery payment option, digital payment options, offline payments options. So you can turn them on off from here, and I will show you how you can set them up. So these are the product related. You can set up the product activities. Here are the orders. So you can manage the order related settings from here, vendor related, customer related, delivery man, shipping methods. So you can set them up from here, and here delivery restrictions are here. So these are in-house shop details, so you can set them up from here. So this is the system settings. So now let's go to system settings, and from here you can set up system related activities from this section. These are the app settings, and here you can manage the software update, language of the website. You can manage it from here, insert languages from here, you can insert add new language. This is a currency option, so you can change currency from here and insert new currency directly from here. So if you want to add your new currency, just fill these details and you can add new currency from this section. You can clean database, site maps, each and everything is here. So from third party, here are all the payment methods. So you can set them all the payment methods. You can see right here PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, SSL Commerce, Paytm, all these worldwide accepted gateways are here, and you can use these automatic payment gateways. You just have to fill these simple details of the gateways and you can use them. And here are offline payment methods. So if you want to insert new payment gateway of your own country, just click on add new method, and by filling these details you can add a new method for deposits. So this is how you can manage a website payment methods. These are some other related social media related activities, mail configurations, map reCAPTCHA configuration from here. So viewers, in this video I completely guided you about this e-commerce website. Now if you want to buy this website from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. WhatsApp, you can contact us on WhatsApp and you can buy this website from us. And if you need the complete website, we will build the complete site for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel Script Smasher.